Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a case study based on the gyroscopic motorized gyroscopic apparatus, in which this is the mechanism through which the direction of the motion or direction of the product or the transportation system controlled based on the wind. It is mostly available in all our flight and heavy boat structured object. So here the mechanism will be based on the wind. If the wind direction is in clockwise, the vehicle direction will be anti-clockwise. So based on this structure, we can able to control the direction of any movable vehicle or any motion based object. So if you are having any question, you can ask. Actually, the gyroscope principle is based on the 360-degree mechanism, which is also said to be a gyroscopic couple. In gyroscopic couple, what will be there is it will be in a 90-degree mechanism. So the primary structure, the structure which is directly connected with the vehicle path movement, will be directly proportional structure, directly perpendicular to the our gyroscopic structure, because the main mechanism, working mechanism is if the gyroscope turns right, then our transportation trajectory path will be moved towards left. So the direction will be based on 90-degree structural mechanism. Actually, gyroscope is mainly designed for controlling the long distance or uncommunicatable or non-communicatable transportation vehicles, which is nothing but the flight or jet engine and also heavy boat. So in heavy boat or heavy ship structure, we cannot be able to predict the direction with using of map or using of GPS. We cannot be able to control through GPS tracker or some other devices. So the gyroscope is the main motion control or positioning devices which can be capable of controlling the direction and guide the transportation vehicle based on our requirement direction in a safety and also for safety precaution. Actually, we can be able to use the race car, but the thing is, most probably the ship or heavy jet engine can be controlled based on only on direction. The speed cannot be very in these two types of transportation system. But in race car, the speed will be beyond 400 miles per hour or 500 miles per hour. In that case, the gyroscope cannot be able to work because only certain 70 to 80 km per hour or 70 to 80 km per hour only having the capacity of gyroscope, so we can be able to control the direction. First.
Start.
Actually, in gyroscoping, mostly proximity sensor, position sensor has been used because the complete mechanism is designed only for positioning any vehicle. So, position sensor and proximity sensor is the main sensor available in gyroscope. Actually, in gyroscopic couple, the metal requirement will be mostly based on metals. In metal, mostly steel and iron has been used because steel and iron can be able to capable beyond rusting. So if you paint gyroscopic couple mechanism for an year, it can able to withstand up to 5 to 10 years based on the requirement of the vehicle.
What is the
Drawback.
drawback of the?
Actually, the main thing is if the wind is acting in any area, the gyroscope can be able to perform up to its maximum level. But if wind is not available in the day, if it is conditioned inside the vacuum, we cannot be able to implement the gyroscopic couple mechanism in that area.
How to use an existing car?
Actually, in existing car, if you want to convert the existing car into a flight model or you can able to fly with the existing car, the gyroscopic is very helpful. But beyond connecting with the gyroscope, we can able to increase our existing car design based on the gyroscopic requirement, and also we can able to change the engine structure in order to it will be connected directly with gyroscopic couple, but we cannot be able to predict gyroscopic couple with regular road transport vehicle because it is only designed basically working on wind structure only. So we cannot able to predict or cannot able to expect our expectation in car vehicle. So we can able to modify or update any new vehicle based on the gyroscope. Actually, it has to be work. It has to be completely constructed in 360 degree. So it is circle is the only example for working in a 360 degree basis. So it is in the circle mechanism.